It's just that they don't have the clip, so I use my clothing peg to, yeah. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I already made kombucha before, like a billion times. Okay, maybe not that many. As I was looking through YouTube suggestion, I saw something called Kombucha, or in another word is coffee kombucha. I was like looking at the video and what the hell. I never see it anywhere in store before. I just see kombucha with different flavor and mostly they are tea based. Never had coffee kombucha before. I don't think I can find it anywhere here, so I decided to make one. And the steps are pretty much the same, it's just change it to coffee. So yeah, here is how I make it. The item we are using for coffee kombucha is actually the same as the items we are using for the normal kombucha. The only difference is we are using coffee instead of tea. So I have explained the purpose of the items that we are gonna use for first fermentation in the previous video. So if you want to know more about it, you can check on the link in this description below. So first of all, we're gonna add the sugar into the hot water, and followed by the coffee bags so it can brew inside together and dissolve the sugar at the same time. And now I'm gonna give a quick stir so everything mixed together. So the starter tea and the Scoby is already in the container, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, followed by the coffee mixture, and pour back the remaining water into the coffee jug that we used just now. And pour the remaining inside the container. And now I'm gonna quickly seal this container with a cloth and rubber band. And we are done with the first fermentation. So in this video, you can see like right below there's a Scoby, which is the old one. You can see a little bit of bubble on the top. I'm trying to focus it. And you can see like on the top, there's another Scoby. So I'm going to quickly explain this. Every time when you make a next batch of kombucha, a new Scoby will form. So eventually you'll get like a lot of Scoby. So what you can do with it is either you throw it away, or you build a Scoby hotel, or you can give it to your friends. After 1 week of first fermentation, I'm gonna do the second fermentation now. I made a video about second fermentation, so guys, please check it out. I will write it on the link in the description below. So there are a few items that I'm changing. So instead of using measuring jug, I'm gonna use weighing scale, and I don't have any flavoring in this video. Also, I have plastic wrap, and you will see in a minute that why I'm gonna use it. First of all, I'm gonna take out the Scoby and put it in this glass bowl. As you can see, the color is really dark because it follows the color of the coffee. Now I'm going to transfer the coffee kombucha into this glass bottle. As you can see, the color of this coffee kombucha is really dark. Make sure when you fill the kombucha, you don't fill it up all the way, as you know, it needs some space for carbonation. Before closing the bottle, I'm gonna put plastic wrap on the bottle. The reason why I do that is so that I can trap as many air as possible from this kombucha, as this bottle is not airtight like the cap lock bottle. Now I'm going to weigh the remaining coffee kombucha by using the bowl with the Scoby in it, so that I know how much kombucha I need to make in the next recipe. So how do you guys like it? Do you find this interesting or do you find this a little weird? Honestly, I haven't tried it yet, and I'm gonna make a reaction video to it along with my friends, so please check out my next video and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye bye.